violence as my way to get out of problems.
It ain't even for real. It's fucking for fun, bro. Come on, bro.
He's
Square up with me. Simon,
Tom.
with me.
Bro, when we go to my old house, bro.
Who is man enough here to square up with me? Who is man enough? Are you man enough?
He Roger Chunk though.
Shut the fuck up, Will. Yeah. I'm gonna crack you right now just for talking shit, bro.
What? You burned yourself with my cigarette, first of all.
I'm gonna square up with you just cuz, bro.
Please, it must be really hard to crack me. Get on my face. You, and you. You staying here, bro? Are you staying here, bro?
No, I'm going, bro. I'm going.
Are you staying here?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm staying with
here.
Dion.
All right. You going in the trunk. You and him are going in the trunk.
Come on. All right, let's do that later. We're leaving.
Hey, Wilbur, I see you.
All right, nigga. All right, bro.
2-1. Project.
2-1.
Don't forget. 2-1. Hey, Chris. Chris. Don't fucking fight him, home.
Why?
Not a